Hello beautiful viewers and welcome back to your favorite baking channel, Baking with Chef Tonde. Today I'm going to show you how to make brown bread, normal brown bread. What do you need? You need your brown flour. So we're gonna work with a 1 kilo gauge, 1 kilo batch. So we need brown flour, 800 grams brown flour. Then you just tint it with 200 grams of white bread flour. Then you need your sugar, your salt, and your butter. 60 grams butter, 20 grams, 10 grams salt, and 50 grams sugar, and your warm water, lukewarm water. And I have my flour for dusting, and I have my jungle oats just for the top to decorate. Then I have my bowl because I need to mix it in a bigger bowl. So, and here is my stick, my mugoti. I will use my mugoti. There we go. The cooking stick is mugoti in my language. So what do? You put everything together. So we're gonna use it in a bigger. Take your salt. So we need to mix to form dough. Here's 10 grams of yeast. We don't need to dissolve it in water because this is not a confection, it's dough, so it's gonna mix well when we are. Then your sugar, then your butter. So we put everything together. And we use warm water just to dissolve the yeast and activate the yeast. Since yeast is these are enzymes. So water. And remember, the water is plus or minus. So I have 600 mils of water first. Then you see how our flour is absorbing. And the brown flour, it uses more water than the normal white flour. So we'll see how it is. Just using my mugoti just to combine everything. Then I will knead with my hands. There we go. our dough. So what I do, I just oil my bowl a little, then I let my dough rest for about 10 minutes before I wake it out again into the bread shape and prove it for 30 minutes. So I will let my dough rest. So I close it and I'll just put a plastic on top just to just like this, just to keep it more the steam in and help it to rise a little bit faster. This first stage is just to let the dough rest before I work it out into a shape, then prove it. So this is just the resting phase. So what you can do, you can just mold it, close it like this, and put it even on the tabletop, just like this. But because today here where I am, the weather is so cold, the temperatures are very down today, so I have to help the process by just putting it into a prover for just 10 minutes. Then when it's well rested, I'll take it out and work it from there. See you in the next episode where I will be showing you how to proof the brown bread just for 30 minutes. Then we give it a go and see how it goes. Then we bake. See you in the next episode. See you. Love you.